Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Nombre, name. The first one is nombre, which means name. My name is Rosa. Mi nombre es Rosa. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? What's your name? The name of my favorite artist is Deftones. El nombre de mi artista favorito es Deftones. Día, day. The next one is día, which means day. Hoy es un buen día. Today it's a good day. My favorite day of the week is Saturday. Mi día favorito de la semana es el sábado. Vida, life. The next one is vida, which means life. Vive la vida, live the life. Año, year. The next one is año, which means year. I was born in the year 1991. Nací en el año 1991. I would like to live in the 20s. Me gustaría vivir en los años 20. This year I want to travel to the United States. Este año quiero viajar a los Estados Unidos. I would like to go to New York. Hora, time. The next one is hora, which means time, an hour. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Ahora es la hora del desayuno. Now it's time for breakfast. Estate a la hora allí. Be on time there. Momento, moment. The next one is momento, which is moment. Wait a moment. Espera un momento. Live the moment. Vive el momento. Lugar, place. The next one is lugar, which means place. ¿Cuál es tu lugar favorito? What is your favorite place? Mi lugar favorito de España es Barcelona. My favorite place in Spain is Barcelona. Parte, part. The next one is parte, which means part. Esto es parte de la historia. This is part of the story. Parte de mí quiere volver a estudiar y parte de mí no. Part of me wants to go back to study and part of me doesn't. Tiempo, time. The next one is tiempo, which means time or also weather. What's the weather like? ¿Qué tiempo hace? Her running time was 20 minutes. Su tiempo de carrera fue de 20 minutos. El tiempo pasa muy rápido. Time passes by very quickly. Casa, house, home. The next one is casa, which means house and home. I've never lived in a house. Nunca he vivido en una casa. I would like to live in a beach house. Me gustaría vivir en una casa de playa. El presupuesto es ilimitado. The budget is unlimited. For example, if you are at a fancy restaurant and the other person tells you the budget is unlimited. El presupuesto es ilimitado. You can eat all you want. Yay! Eres una excelente cocinera. You are an excellent cook. It always feels nice to know that you can do like tasty things. Habrá un extra al final de mes, which means there will be a bonus at the end of the month. Sounds great! Te echo de menos. I miss you. I haven't met you, but I miss you already. Te traje algo especial. I brought you something special. What could it be? Te ves muy bien hoy. You look great today. You look great today. All of you. Yes, you. Tenías razón. You were right. It always feels good to be right. Yeah. Y tú ganas, which means, and you win. And what is it that I win? Te quiero, which means I love you. Well, in my case, I love the viewers that leave me nice comments. Eres tan inteligente, which is you are so smart. Frigorífico, refrigerator. Frigorífico, which means refrigerator. Cuando el frigorífico se estropeó, tuvimos que tirar mucha comida. When the refrigerator broke down, we had to throw away a lot of food. Correr, run. Me gustaría algún día correr una maratón. I would like to someday run a marathon. Espantapájaros, scarecrow. Me gusta cuando la gente viste a los espantapájaros como si fueran personas. I like when people dress up scarecrows as if they were people. Exquisito, delicious. Fuimos a un restaurante muy caro y toda la comida era exquisita. We went to a very fancy restaurant and all the food was very delicious. Idiosincrasia, idiosyncrasy. The next word is idiosincrasia, which means idiosyncrasy. Una de sus idiosincrasias es lavarse las manos cada hora. One of his idiosyncrasies is washing his hands every hour.
Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
So let's begin. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Which is how are you? ¿Cómo estáis? Are you fine? So, for example, when you meet a friend, you would say, Hola, ¿cómo estás? I think you can use it with almost everyone. Like, it's not like super informal or anything, so. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Mi nombre es Rosa. My name is Rosa. What's your name? Tell me. Are you Bob? Or maybe Christine? ¿Tienes una M? ¿Tienes una M? Do you have it in medium? ¿Tienes una M? Do you have it in medium? No solo tenemos S. No, we only have it in small. ¿Podría verlo? ¿Podría verlo? May I see it? ¿Podría verlo? May I see it? So you can use this phrase if you see something that you like in the shop window, but you want to take a closer look at it. ¿Qué tipo de música te gusta? What type of music do you like? ¿Qué tipo de música te gusta? What type of music do you like? So, do you like pop, rock, hip hop, R&B, reggae? I don't know. Tell me. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Yo soy de España. So tell me where you're from. Maybe you're from Italy or from the United States. Nuevo, new. The next one is nuevo, which means new. Este reloj es nuevo. This clock is new. ¿Te gusta tu nuevo trabajo? Do you like your new job? Bueno, good. This food is very good. Esta comida está muy buena. The weather is not very good today. El tiempo no es muy bueno hoy. Malo, bad. The next one is malo, which means bad. The witch in that tale is very bad. La bruja en ese cuento es muy mala. Do you think there are good and bad people? ¿Piensas que hay gente buena y mala? Este estofado está muy malo. This stew is very bad. Tener, have. The next one is tener, which is to have. I have friends. That sounds so sad. Tengo amigos. I have a dog. Tengo un perro. I have to eat more vegetables. Tengo que comer más verduras. ¿Me podría dar un descuento? Could you give me a discount? ¿Me podría dar un descuento? Could you give me a discount? So it's not that common in Spain to ask for a discount in a store. So yeah, maybe if you go to an outdoors market or to these stalls near the beach, you can ask for a discount. Hermoso, beautiful. Hermoso, which means beautiful. Este cuadro es hermoso. This painting is beautiful. Oh. Fiesta, party. Fiesta, which means party. Cuando era una estudiante de universidad, iba más de fiesta. When I was a university student, I used to party more often. ¿Podría tener la cuenta? Could I have the check? ¿Podría tener la cuenta? Could I have the check? Also, you can just say la cuenta, por favor. It's the same thing. ¿Te gusta la comida española? Do you like Spanish food? ¿Te gusta la comida española? Do you like Spanish food? So, do you like Spanish omelets? Or what else can you like? Do you like gazpacho? Perdone, ¿cuál es la tarifa? Excuse me, what's the fare? Perdone, ¿cuál es la tarifa? Excuse me, what's the fare? Some museums and monuments sometimes have like a special fare for students. So if you are one, you can maybe ask, Perdone, ¿cuál es la tarifa para estudiantes? ¿Aceptáis tarjeta de crédito? Do you take credit cards? ¿Aceptáis tarjeta de crédito? Do you take credit cards? So in most shops in Spain, you can pay by card and there's no problem. But maybe if you go to a small town, go to a small shop, like you might have to pay in cash. So yeah, in these cases, like you can ask this question. ¿Podría darme un mapa? Could I get a map? ¿Podría darme un mapa? Could I get a map? I'm so thankful about Google Maps because I have no sense of direction, and even if I have a map, like for me it's so difficult to like understand it and follow it. So yeah, I'm happy there's technology now. ¿Podríamos tener el menú, por favor? Could we have the menu, please? ¿Podríamos tener el menú, por favor? Could we have the menu, please? Yeah, if you go to a restaurant, you can ask this question and they'll bring you the menu. Esto no es lo que pedí. This isn't what I ordered. Esto no es lo que pedí. This isn't what I ordered. Yeah, normally if you get something different from what you ordered and you say this politely, like they will replace it for you. So no problem. Perdona, sorry, but this is not what I ordered. ¿Te importaría cambiarlo? Would you mind to change it? ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? The next one is ¿qué hora es? What time is it? So now it's 4 o'clock, las 4 en punto. ¿Cuánto es? How much? The next one is ¿cuánto es? How much? So when you enter a shop and you want to know the price of something, you can say ¿cuánto es? Also, you can say ¿cuánto cuesta? It's the same thing. ¿Qué es eso? What is that? The next one is ¿qué es eso? What is that? Yeah, you can point at something and ask ¿qué es eso? ¿En dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? The next one is ¿en dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? Yeah, very useful phrase to know. So, for example, if you are in a restaurant and you want to go to the bathroom, you can ask the waiter, ¿dónde está el baño? And then the waiter indicates you and yeah, you go to the bathroom. No lo comprendo. I don't understand. The next one is no lo comprendo, which is I don't understand it. If someone is talking to you and you are a bit lost, you can say lo siento, sorry, no lo comprendo, I don't understand. If they are nice, they will try to explain it better to you. Also, instead of comprendo, you can also say entiendo. So, no lo entiendo. It will be the same thing.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.